Here's how to make a track in the style of SLANDER. So first off, a lot of the time SLANDER likes to have these huge long build-ups to create lots of tension, which can be seen in their song Love Is Gone. So starting with the build-up, I have my drop synths printed out into one stem so that I could easily chop them up. And so first it starts off as this basic LFO wobbly sound at a static rate. And then I have it looping the same chord to start building some tension. Then I also have it pitching up to kind of act as a riser. Then for the drums, I have these two build-up loops that sound like this. Then for the FX, I have these standard risers. Now for the drop, it sounded a bit abrupt for the drop to fully come in on the one, so I added this fake out easing into the main drop, which all I did was filter the drop synths. Now for the actual drop synths, first I've got this lead. Then I've got the bass synths. Then I've got the sub. Then for my supersaws, I've got some pink noise to fill out the high end. Then I've got my actual supersaws, which by the way are some simple detuned saw waves. Now for the drums, all I've got is this kick and snare with a crash on top playing a simple beat. And to finish it off, I've left some space in the drop for some drum fills. Now let's hear the final result. And before I close out here, I just wanted to remind you guys that in last week's video, I talked about picking some songs made by you guys and showcasing them in next week's video. So if you haven't seen the video already, definitely check it out because it talks about how to enter, and I'm super excited at the submissions I've already gotten. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!